Right guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Project and welcome back to the channel. Now, I wanted to do this on Wednesday, but unfortunately it wasn't in the shops. I've no idea what happened or what's going on. It still hasn't been explained to us, but at least it's here now. It's Friday and hopefully it should be uploaded tonight. So this is issue 23 of Warhammer Conquest. As we know, it's $7.99. Let's open it up and see what we've got in it. So let's have a look at the sprues first. This is one of the sprues here, and we've got like some sort of barricade here, there, and there, little gas canister, some more barrels. These look quite old actually. And we've got another like spiky barricade. These actually remind me of some of the ones that these ones especially I had in was it one of the old starter sets, maybe 6th edition, 5th edition, reminds you of that time period anyway. So obviously I can't wait to use these. In a way I wish I would have bought another pack because I want to make like not a diorama but a little display piece, display scenery piece. So I was saying to my mate before, I want to make it about that big, not that wide, bit of MDF board, stick some of these onto the board, bit of sand, bit of this, bit of that, and try and make it into a piece rather than just having this erected and randomly placed on the board. I want to make like proper little display scenery pieces. And here's the next one here. So we've got like a little plinth here, some more ammo cases, which got some looks like rockets there, and then we've got another ammo case and some sort of, I don't know, plasma thing. So yeah, like I said, it would have been good if I would have ordered like say another one, and then I would have had one more when the actual delivery comes, and I could have had 3 in a row maybe, and then that way I could have made a bit of a scenery piece. But apparently these were priced at about £15 when they were available. Now I got that information from another YouTuber. His name's Big Mac Dan Skull, also a friend of mine on Facebook, Dan. So yeah, the information came from him. I haven't been able to do much research about this sprue because I don't believe it's available anymore, and he confirmed that as well on Facebook. So it's worth approximately £15 apparently. So you're getting this half price, which is fairly good. You know, can't complain about that. And for me, obviously with having the shop and stuff, I do want as much as terrain as possible, and the cheaper the better. So let's get onto the magazine. And in fact I might actually try and build it over the weekend, you see, and see if we can get that on the table soon. So here's the magazine. As we know, issue 23, $7.99 per week, and in this one we get to see battlefield accessories, which we've just seen, learn about the Chaos Demons, which we've got some lovely Nurglings on the front, which are part of the Nurgle army, and add new models to your missions. Okie dokie. So lovely picture here. I think that was Codex Astartes, which was probably about so on 8th now, 7th, so 6th edition I'm saying, I reckon. So we've got the chapter organisations there. So we've got obviously all the armory, librarians, apothecaries, the different companies, veterans and stuff like that. And then we've got a nice bit of artwork here on the front. That's bloody lovely, that, isn't it? So we've got some Slaanesh demons there, fighting against some Ultramarines. And as you can see here, the Slaanesh are a bit interesting, shall we say. And I'm glad Games Workshop hasn't removed this from its current thing, because apparently more children are getting into the hobby. But I'm glad that they're sticking to what they've always done best, and which is like an alternative, funky chaos god demons, such stuff like that. So there's some Chaos Demons information there. There's a bit more information about what I'm guessing is going to be the warp. Look at that, yeah, it's lovely, that, isn't it? Wouldn't that be nice as a poster? Little poster, or even a little tattoo, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? So Adeptus Custodes, the Inquisition, and Adeptus Administratum. Now these are the ones who actually oppose the demons. Adeptus Custodes, I've actually got a couple of them. I posted a picture of a painting tutorial I did last year on my Facebook group, which is linked to the shop page. A couple of people were impressed with that, and I'm still impressed with it myself. I used the Ammo Make paint, it's a gold, to paint them. Something a bit different than Retributor armour. So we've got a bit more information. Now Nurglings, these to me are the funniest and best demons in the whole Warhammer universe. We've got artwork, I don't know if that's old or current artwork, but I've not seen that before. That's quite nice, and there's from the front as well. I just think these are cool. I need to get some of these for my Death Guard army as well, to be honest. So there's a bit of information there about Nurglings and where they came from and such stuff like that. And as you can see here, they're actually infesting this thing. And obviously we've got how to assemble and how to clip out the battlefield accessory scenery parts, which, you know, it's not like rocket science, is it? How to paint the things. Let's move that on the way, the back. Yeah, I might not paint them that colour, I don't know yet, to be honest, I'll have to see. And then Unholy Ritual, so I'm guessing this is another mission, which looks very interesting. Oh, they're trying to do different zones now, which is also quite good. And enemy territory, that looks quite interesting. And what do we get next week? We get Sprue 1 for issue 24 of the Redemptor Dreadnought, and Sprue 2 for number 25. But I was looking on the other day, in fact I was looking today actually, and obviously we've had posted the spoilers for the remainder of the subscription, and number 26 people believe that it was going to be an empty one, nothing with it, but I was looking and apparently you get paint with it. That's not too bad. So just a little heads up there, guys. So what do you think of this issue, guys? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's not? Have you managed to find one yourself? Let us know, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Try.